Interested in a career that keeps people comfortable year-round? At Kiamichi Tech, our HVAC program gives you the skills to succeed in the high-demand field of climate control. Through hands-on training, you'll learn to design, install, maintain, and troubleshoot residential and light commercial heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems. Work with industry-standard tools and real HVAC units as you develop technical expertise in wiring, airflow, refrigerants, and system diagnostics. This program also emphasizes safety, energy efficiency, and environmental responsibility, key skills employers are looking for. Whether you want to join an HVAC company or start your own business, Kiamichi Tech's HVAC program equips you with the knowledge and expertise to get there. Train for a reliable, essential career with Kiamichi Tech, where you'll learn to bring comfort and control to every environment.